Have you ever found yourself wondering if there's a smarter, easier way to tackle your marketing challenges?
If you're ready for a fresh perspective, head over to thinkyourwaytoamillion.com to grab your free trial today.
Now let's talk about the incredible value waiting for you. HighLevel has just rolled out some amazing new templates designed to revolutionize your marketing approach. Whether you're in a hair extension salon, insurance, finance, home services, or the medical field, there's something here for you. And in my personal use cases, I use HighLevel for my salon's marketing. So whether you are a business owner or an aspiring agency owner, then you will love all that HighLevel has to offer. Imagine website templates that make your services shine and grab your customers' attention from the get-go. Think about streamlined funnel templates that guide potential clients effortlessly toward making that all-important yes decision. And for my medical professionals, check out the ad templates tailored to resonate with your ideal patients and drive amazing engagement. Plus, you can supercharge your social presence with eye-catching social media templates, captivate your audience with compelling email templates, and gather insights through thoughtful survey templates, all customizable to reflect your unique brand. So, what are you waiting for? Click on over to thinkyourwaytoamillion.com to start your journey and rediscover the joy of marketing, or discover how you can turn marketing into a side hustling business for yourself. Let's make this fun and effective together.